Mastering Python Programming. Welcome to Python. Topics covered in this video: Introduction to Python, Python getting started, Python data types. Introduction to Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Web applications are developed on servers, integrating with software for streamlined workflows, connecting to databases, and managing files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python getting started. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Python data types. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed within single, double, or triple, or quotes. They are used to represent text-based data. Python numbers. It encompasses several types like int, float, and complex. Numbers can participate in arithmetic and other numerical operations. Sequence types in Python include lists, tuples, and strings. They support indexing, slicing, and iteration. Mapping types are collections that store key-value pairs. A common mapping type is the dictionary, dict, where each key is associated with a corresponding value. The Boolean type represents two values, true and false. Booleans are often used for logical operations and comparison.
If you're eager to delve deeper into Python, make sure to stay tuned for upcoming videos.